videotaping this, and we are trying to catch a lightning.
That was all exciting.
So look at this.
This is all laughing.
Alright, so we're going to look deeply back there, and we might see it light.
Where's she at?
Alright.
The news reporter needs to be in front of the camera.
Alright, so look at here. It's raining deep hard, so we need to make sure that we do not go out in our cars or it might slip. Right. So it's already making mud piles. Yeah, so do not go in your cars. Clearly. Alright, so we're gonna look down here, and as you see, it's thundering. Like you can hear it. Lightning. Alright, so we have proof that it's lightning. Alright, we have total proof. Do not go out and play out in the rain. Yeah. Oh gosh, it's coming here. No, get back. Get back. Alright, so we're here. Ooh.
Did you put the cover on the grill?
And we're watching a film. And it's going to be thundering and lightning and all the time. And it's not going to stop us here. Well, where's Chris?
At the house. He left before he got back.
Alright, we're doing this. Alright. Now we're going to stop this film because I think we got proof. Alright? Ready, set, hit it. Bam. Alright, now let's watch it. Let's watch it. Let's go inside. All right. No, it's still the news report. Okay.
Don't get that wet.